Step 1. Before you start drawing, look carefully at the place or photograph that you are studying. Step 2. Sketch the main features that you can see, for example, the school buildings. Step 3. Now, draw what you can see immediately in front of you, in the middle and in the background. Step 4. Then fill in the field sketch with some more detail. Step 5. Remember not to make your field sketch too cluttered. There's no need to include everything. Step 6. Label the different features clearly. Step 7. Add a title to your field sketch.